What's up guys, Joe here with episode 7 of my Prelude series. In today's episode, I will be preparing the Prelude for the winter. Now I'm a firm believer a car is meant to be driven, not stored away just because the weather isn't ideal. With that being said, I ceramic coated the Prelude just over a year ago and haven't done much maintenance to it. So today's video will be more of a how I prepare a vehicle that's already in great condition for the winter elements. I will be using the 2-bucket method along with a foam cannon. Starting with rinsing down the wheel wells and the wheels, get in there with your pressure washer, a hose, whatever you're using, and make sure you want to get into all the nooks and crannies of the wheel wells. After each wheel has been cleaned and rinsed, I'll move over to rinsing off the vehicle. As you can tell by the water beading, the Prelude already has a great layer of protection, and in this case, just needs a boost. After a good rinse, next up is the foam cannon. Now this part isn't necessarily needed, but is always good to have. It's one of those you'd rather have more lube than not enough lube. This is why I love ceramic coatings. The water beading is just phenomenal and it's almost memorizing to watch. So remember how I said ceramic coatings do need a boost? Well, this is the boost I'm going to do for this. So this is bead maker. Bead maker, think of it as kind of like a spray wax. The best way to describe it is you spray it on, you want to spray it on the car, spray it on the towel, wipe it on, and then take a dry towel and then wipe it off, and then bam, you now have a top layer on top of your ceramic coating that will take the brunt of the winter elements. Hey, and that's it for today's episode of the Prelude series. On the next episode of Detailing with Joe, I will be doing a similar thing, getting a car prepared for winter, but this car is definitely in a lot more rougher condition. We're going to be doing some buffing, some polishing, and then adding a sealant. So you won't want to miss that episode, so stay tuned and subscribe for more awesome detailing and Prelude content.